Good morning, student. Student, today's topic is probability. Student, if we define the term probability, then it is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes. Student, if we toss a coin, then total number of outcomes are 2H, means head and tail. Actually, it is called sample space. So here number of elements in H equal to 2. If we find the probability of tossing a coin and getting head, then it is PH, H for head. Then there is one favorable outcomes. Number of heads are 1. So probability is 1 by 2. Student, if we throw a die, then number of possible outcomes are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 all possible outcomes and NS equal to 6. If we find the probability of getting a prime number, let that is an event E, and prime number are here 2, 3, 5. So probability for this case, NS and E, first we find NE, it is 3. Formula for the probability of particular event PE equal to NE over NS. NE means number of favorable outcomes and S is the total number of all possible outcomes. So student, here NE equal to 3 and total cases are 6. So probability is 1 by 2. This is the probability of getting a prime number tossing a single die. Then is example 1, that is example 2. Now let us discuss one more example. Student, now this is the logic of playing cards. Student, there are two variety of cards. These are red cards and black cards. There are 26 red cards, 26 black cards. Total number of playing cards are 52. Then these red cards are divided into two categories. They are diamond and heart. Diamond figure is like that, heart is like that. Then the club and spade. Then these are 13 cards of each variety. 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 clubs and 13 spades. These are 13. Total number of cards are 52. Then the cards are divided into like this. First is ace. Ace having the maximum probability or maximum priority. Priority of the card is ace is maximum. Then king, queen, jack. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 13 cards in which 3 are face card. 3 face card. If we talk about the total number of face cards, then number of face cards are 12. 3 4 ja 12. Maximum honor is given to ace. Ace having maximum honor. So, if we talk about the number of honor cards, these are also having honors. So, number of honor cards is 4 4 16. 16 are the number of honor cards, and number of face cards are 12. Number of honor cards are 16. Student, actually all the cards having equal number of probabilities. If we find the probability of getting a king, to find the probability that getting a king, then its probability P, right, for the king equal to, there are 4 kings, so it is 4 upon 52, or it is 1 by 30. If we find the probability of getting an ace, so ace are also 4 upon 52, it is also 1 by 30. If we find the probability of getting a diamond, probability of getting the diamond card, so there are 13 diamonds, so it is 13 upon 52, or it is 1 by 4. If we find the probability of getting the red card, then it is 26 upon 52, or it is 1 by 2. Right? So these are the examples of finding the probability of different variety of the cards. Student, probability of finding the red king. If we find the probability of red king, then it is, there are 2 red king, one from diamond, one from heart, so it is 2 upon 52, or it is 1 upon 26. Right? Similarly, we can find the probability of other cases.